Sally Sue Hila Liu. Hi guys, Sally Sue here. Today is a rainy day if you can't hear outside. And today I was like, let me take over for a second and then tell you guys how you can spend your rainy day. So let's get started. Now, it could be the weekend and you're looking for ways to not be bored, and this is what you can do. You can do your homework, do your chores, clean the house, and all this good stuff. It's really good for you, and I think you guys should think about doing that because why not? Yeah. Did you guys think I was serious? No, I wasn't serious. This is not what you should do. This is your weekend. Your day off from school or work. So this is what you gotta do. You gotta go and stay inside, okay? Just stay inside. Maybe make some music. Music is fun. Music is fun. You could get your mom's pan and her spoon and just make music. Sally Sue, who are you? Sally Sue, who are you? Sally Sue, who are you? Sally, 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 Sally Sue. You could do that. Make some music. Do what you like. Maybe even color, like in a book or something like this, so you can make things like this. Just color, make your mind relax and everything. Or you could do your stupid chores. But I know you don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So, yeah. Just remember, on a rainy day, it's your weekend. Do what you like. This is what I like. Come, I'll show you. This is what I do. I like to worship my queen. Just watch compilations about him. I love my king.
Let's just suck that down with a nice sugary coffee.
Me. All the way me. By the way, if you don't know who that YouTuber is, go get a life right now. Go. Just go. You don't deserve YouTube. You don't even deserve the internet. Go and get a job like the normal people around you. Anyways, guys, that's about it. That's what I do, but YouTube's like my ritual. I watch it every day, and many other more YouTubers that I just wanted to show my queen. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy video, and I might see you guys in other videos, but remember, life gives you sticks and stones. Focus and build a house. Bye.